whole process, right? Not so much on what you're cooking, right? It's
totally.
like
It's the surrounding
exactly.
Day of hanging out and
Completely, yeah, 100%, 100% that. That's what I enjoy the most. That's what the thing that I most missed about Argentina is hanging out with the guys, cooking with the family. Is like I explained at the beginning, right? It's our way to express ourselves. It's a way that we socialize. It's our way to like we do things, right? It's all around the asado.
The way to enjoy life.
Exactly. See the bones there? Gonna flatten up, dislocate the bones, right? Dislocate, so we flatten up. I like to season my chicken.
Season inside.
Yes, sir. Because open fire, and I explained it a few times, it's more aggressive on the meat that's smoking, right?
Yeah.
So with open fire, what you're gonna do? Whatever you're gonna put, you're gonna burn.
Yeah, so they get everybody in Texas to nice.
Okay, so see, we're gonna cook it, and the bone again. The bone is gonna protect. See, expose all the bone. If you're gonna season it for like let's say a pulled pork or like a brisket, I recommend to add salt too.
Okay. So I just peel back this silver skin so I can get that chimichurri rub on there. Lamb looks phenomenal. So I can get this little piece off and hit it with that extra spicy chimi.
Oh my god.
That is so juicy.
It is. You made it, man.
I ate the whole thing. So it was a big ass bite. But man.
You didn't do like me. I did the maricón.
It all came off.
Damn it, boy. Cameraman, I know you. Let's go again.
Oh man.
It's too much.
Mmm.
Huh?
Mmm. Look at that. Fucking.
You can see the kick of the chimney at the end.
Mm-hmm.
Good, right?
Mm. Pound those.
Dude, honestly, I didn't expect it, so it was so good. You?
Mm-mm. Wow. Nice kick though too from the chimney. Perfect. It's all we put on it was chimichurri. We literally didn't even put salt, garlic,
Exactly,
anything, like nothing.
Okay, are you ready with this? Okay. I want you to see this. Okay. Okay. Are you ready? Look at this shit. You see it? Look at this shit. I don't even need it.
Oh my god. One more time. Mmm. Holy shit. Mmm. That is insane.
Look. Camera, try that.
Dude, bite that.
You never thought chicken could be that good?
Oh my god.
I know, right?
This is not real. Mm-hmm. Literally the best chicken I've ever eaten. Oh shit.
That's the oyster, right? Here and here.
Mm-hmm.
One for each. The oyster.
It's the oyster. We call this the best piece.
Yeah. What do you think, guys?
It's not even fair.
It's a fruit or...
Smoke game strong, approved.
Okay, I have to try it. Cheers.
Mm.
No way it's dry.
Mm. Spot on. Wow, dude, the skin on that thing is insane.
From another planet, right?
Seriously. You gotta get some skin with the breast right there.
Yeah.
Underneath right here.
Oh yeah.
Get that one.
Yeah. No, I'm good. I'm waiting for dessert. Yep. Now we're talking.
We got one more surprise. Can I see that knife?
That's dessert.